this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Hey Chick and Hey Birthday Chick bundles. This is a super cute card using the Hey Chick and Hey Chick birthday bundles. The Hey Birthday Chick has come out with these birthday chick dies that are available now, and it's got these extra dies, this fence and a happy birthday, and these streamers and super fun dies that are available. And Hey Chick was a celebration stamp set that they brought back along with these really cool dies. There's a stump, cornstalk, barn, chicken wire, sign, eggs, little chickie there, plus the dies to cut out all the chickens. So super cute dies. So we're going to use the dies for the little eggs and the little chicks. But first we're going to do some blending. So I'm going to grab a scratch piece of paper, and I've got this 4" by 4" piece of cardstock. I'm going to use some Coastal Cabana and one of our new blending brushes. I'm going to grab some ink, and I'm going to start off the cardstock, and I'm just going to slowly swirl some ink onto my cardstock from each side. And I'm going to leave the middle white. Grab some more ink, turn it around, start off the cardstock, just get a nice color on there. These blending brushes are fabulous. They're super, super fine, and they make blending so easy and so pretty. All right, we've got a nice coloring of Coastal Cabana around our edge. So now we're going to stamp some Coastal Cabana around the edge. We're going to do this confetti stamp right here. This is a fun stamp. So we're just going to go around the edge, stamp this confetti stamp. There we go. Now we're going to stamp some of the eggs in Memento Black ink. So we're going to do this cute little egg guy right here. And we're going to do this little egg right here. So we've got these two eggs. Now we're going to color them. We're going to do dark pumpkin pie for the nose, for the legs, we're gonna do some dark daffodil delight for the body of my little chick here. Little happy chick. Little birthday hat on. And now I'm gonna do a little bit of a shadow with some smoky slate. So I'm just gonna do just a little bit of a shadow here. And do a little bit of a shadow here on this egg, just to give it a little bit of depth. And then I'm going to cut these out. And after I cut them out, I'm going to get 5 little eggs and 5 hatched eggs. So I'm going to adhere this to my 4 1/4 by 4 1/4 card base, which will fit in an invitation sized envelope. And I'm going to put dimensionals on all my little chicks. But first I'm going to do some embossing. I'm going to emboss Let's Celebrate You. And I'm going to get my Versamark and some white embossing powder. And my embossing buddy that still has a little bit of powder left. And Let's Celebrate You. Get that on here a little bit straighter. And we'll stamp that right in the middle. Get some embossing powder on there. Hold it with some tweezers. We'll grab the heat tool and we'll emboss it. And then we're going to punch it out with the 1.5 inch circle punch. All right, now everything goes on dimensionals. So all of our eggs, all of our chicks, and this piece. So we'll start with the center, Let's Celebrate You, and then we'll go with the egg at the top, and then we'll alternate egg and chick. And that is my Around the World Birthday Chick card using the Hey Birthday Chick and Hey Chick stamp sets. I'm offering a card class, a free card kit when you place a $30 order by going to my website and using the February hostess code. It includes this Z-fold card and this pull tab card. As well as if you purchase one of these bundles, the Hey Birthday Chick bundle, and those are the wrong dies. These go together, Hey Chick and Chick dies, or the Birthday Chick and Hey Birthday Chick. And email me and let me know that you would like the Hey Chick card kit. I will send it out to you for free. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so you know when I post a new video. Make sure to check out all my other Hey Chick and Hey Birthday Chick cards and enjoy watching them. I have some fun other videos for the other cards that I showed you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.